For 3 consecutive days, the stock market, especially for day traders, has been so hot. Um, we've seen a couple of moves um, were close to 5,000%, 1,000%, 800, 900. Even this morning, it's very early over here, is pre-market. CIIT was up um, more than 400% this morning. So it went all the way to $8. CIIT was the first stock that I traded. Um, I entered around 496, and if you look at the timestamp, um, it's just very early. But 496, uh, I liquidated it at 670. Also at 426, um, EDT, I liquidated it around 436, so about 7 minutes. If you look at how quick I spent on this stocks, yeah. So if you look at CIIT, I spent about 9 minutes, and also CHOW, I spent about 4 minutes, and then BGLC, I spent almost 20 minutes on it. So um, I traded in less than an hour. But that's not really what it matters, but not really the point here. The point is, if the stock is not going in your favor, and you realize that, because the moment you enter, it doesn't matter, it takes a split seconds to move, and if it's not going in your favor, there's no um, reason for you to hold on to it. For instance, BGLC, when I got in, it just started to drop on me. So um, after the other two had made some profit, I, if you look at it, that was the stock that I held on to for a very long time. But I did came out. I held it for a while because I realized that I was already in the driver's seat. So let me hold on to it and see. So I did came out. I did came out. Um, whilst I spent some time in it, but the market is very hard. Um, like I attributed it yesterday to the uh, abolition of the PDT rule. So if you're new to day trading, you may wanna be careful. Be careful, especially if you get in the margin account, so that you don't blow it out. And also, if the stock move against you, or if it's so hard, like for instance, if you have CIIT up almost 300% as it stands now, I won't spend time putting my money in it unless it's able to come back to reclaim the top here, because then you're going to see a new buyers pumping money into it. But other than that, I'll let it go because the market has not even opened, and there will be other stocks that are going to pop up during the open. So what's the point of you spending time in a stock that has already gone up? Same way with CHOW. When I came, it has gone up to 173 and dropped to 1, which was cool for me because I realized it's discounted, and on top of it is around the whole number. So I'll be able to get in, and then the float is 11 million. But if you look at it, the stock opened at 27 cents, which had gone all the way to 1. So it also has a very big intraday move. So I got in and then get out around 130. So that's about it for now. The stock market has still not opened yet. pre-market is hard, but I think the abolition of the pattern day trading rule has also contributed to it. But um, like I said all the time, if you going to get into stock, you always want to know why the stock is moving, um, and also you have to check the float and know that um, the size of the float is good for day trading, and also wait until it hit your strategy. But if it's not, don't never spend, put all your money into a single stock, because you never know. Once it goes against you, others can cover, and you don't spend um, much time if it is not working, because for the most part, if it's gonna work, once you get in, it takes like split seconds for it to work. All right, I'll see you when the market opens.